Good evening. My name is Nelly Mendoza, and tonight I would like to share um, my PowerPoint that I created for the nonverbal communication. So let's begin. The Importance of Nonverbal Communication and Hand Gestures by Nelly Mendoza, me. Effective communication takes place when the receiver of the message understands the message the way the sender intended to. This reference or this quote was given by uh, the reference Nonverbal Communication Electronic Resource Video, Meridian Education Corporation. So according to www.publicspeakingproject.org, a speaker's movement should be natural and relaxed. If there's a hint of artificiality in your presentations, you will sacrifice credibility. This is mentioned in pages 12 through 8 and 12 through 9. So in other words, do not overdo it. You might just look too fake, and your speech might not be believable to your audience. And that can compromise your speech a lot. According to the Nonverbal Communication Electronic Resource Video by Meridian Education Corporation, over 55% of messages are sent through your body language. They are more powerful than what we actually say. These are 7 hand gestures guaranteed that I found on Twitter by Larry Kim. So basically this explains how to use your hands to get thoughts across or show the audience how you're expressing yourself. So the first one is I'm certain. So basically you would use your hands like this, I'm certain, or I'm being open like this. I'm confident. I have a big idea. This is the way it is. And I mean it from the bottom of my heart this way. And counting fingers 1, 2, 3. I really enjoyed this because it basically breaks the hand gestures, breaks them down to you so that you won't be using your hands all over the place and you'll be more at ease and calm and moderate with your hand gestures when you're doing public speaking. So this helped me a little bit to be able to express myself with my hands wisely. So what are my final thoughts on hand gestures? They're extremely important to get a point across to the audience. They are important to express our emotions. Our hand gestures connect with the audience. Hand gestures will make, in my opinion, make it easier to be more confident with public speaking as well. And I presented this page of Trump in the back because he is so famous for using his hand gestures, and and he is so confident using them, even though they're very sporadic, very random, and they're just very incredibly funny. So I would like to thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed. And I hope you also have got some good ideas from the video and some good tips. Thank you.